I thought that I would explain a little bit more about what I feel, so that you can have more understanding about it. And just to explain a little bit more about cranial osteopathy in general, what it is feeling all the different layers, all the different dimensions of the body. So it's feeling the bone, the fluid, the membrane, the energetic, even the emotional. And this is my perspective on it, because all practitioners are different. So anything that I say here is my personal and my professional perspective on this. So what I'll do during a cranial osteopathic treatment is that I will feel the alignment of the bones, the tension, the fascia, the tissues, the dura that holds everything in place, how the fluids are moving, including how the arteries bring nutrients, how the veins remove toxins, lymph flow drains inflammation, and cerebrospinal fluid flow so the nerves can communicate well. And